Package dimensions: 10.7 L by 2.3 H by 7.1 W inches. Water-resistant 52 mm, 2 1/16 round dash-mountable casing is perfect for automotive, powersports, marine, and demanding racing applications. Built-in direct digital wideband controller reduces wiring and simplifies installation, no LC1 required. Fit type: universal fit. Innovate Motorsports digital MTX series gauges utilize the award-winning, patented direct digital technology that is faster and more accurate than common UEGO gauges, and is now more affordable. In addition, these gauges feature a water-resistant casing, interchangeable faceplates and bezels, and 2 fully programmable linear analog outputs for use with aftermarket engine management systems and data loggers. Top reviews from the United States. Another quality product from Innovate. Seems to work well. Still currently on pump gas, but ethanol content appears very accurate, running between 10.2 to 10.8. Will be going flex fuel soon.